When taking water measurements for any water body, one of the main things you'll want to take is temperature. A lot of other measurements depend on temperature. So it is the first thing you'll do because temperature can change over time. Once you take the water sample out of the water, air can act upon it, or the container that it's in, and change that temperature rather quickly. So you'll, especially the sunlight. Sunlight will change the temperature very quickly if we were standing in the sunlight. So you take a thermometer. We use thermometers that have the plastic coating on the outside so they don't break very easily. You'll put it down into the water and making sure that the tip stays in the water at all times. And you sort of swish it around in the bucket. You'll do this for 3 minutes, and then we'll read a temperature, leaving the thermometer in the water so that it doesn't change temperature and acclimate to the air. So you just leaving the tip in the water, you'll tip it so that you can see what the reading is. Then you'll put the thermometer back in the water. You don't need to swish any longer, and you let it stay in there for another minute. You'll read the temperature. After 1 minute, you'll record that measurement. Then you'll put the thermometer back in the water for another minute, and you'll read that measurement. If the measurement hasn't changed between the last 2 measurements, then that's your temperature of this water.